Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Josh. I am so excited as Easter is just around the corner, so I thought I'd share with you my favorite recipe from my dear Aunt Millie when she used to make it for us little ones. They are Aunt Millie's famous Easter balls! Who doesn't love a great Easter ball? It's a very simple recipe that anybody can do, and we're gonna get started. The first thing you need to do is grab a banana and peel it open. And we're just gonna get all that peel off just like that and put it right in the bowl. Perfect! That was easy. The next thing we wanna get is some brown rice crisps to bind everything together. If we just put a little brown rice crisp in it, that's perfect! You don't want too much, because it's gonna just get dry and crunchy, and nobody loves a crunchy Easter ball. Next thing we need to add is a little bit of garlic powder for a little bit of kick. Who doesn't love a kick in their Easter ball? If we just take a little bit of garlic powder, very carefully, you gotta be careful with garlic powder, it goes all over. Okay, that's good. That's enough garlic. He's got my eyes. I'm sorry. Garlic in the eyes. I'm sorry. Okay, let's continue. Next thing we need to do is an egg. Just gently tap it and crack it. Perfect. The egg will act as a binder. For those of you that aren't in the cooking world, the binder holds everything together. Okay. For these, we're gonna use 2 eggs. Perfect. Oh, it smells. Hey. Get that dog out of here. I'm sorry. This is very unprofessional. The next thing we're gonna have to get is some chocolate sauce, because if you have the kick of the garlic, you need to offset it with a little bit of sweet. Perfect. So just a little bit of chocolate sauce. All right. Can you smell it at home? It smells good. Now we're going to add a little bit of, just a little bit, whoa, of breadcrumbs. So the breadcrumbs is what really gives the Easter balls its spunk. Next thing we're going to add, as you can see, is a little bit... I said get the dog out of here! Is a little bit of ketchup. Because you want to have a little bit of color, if you know what I'm saying. Whoa! Easy. I just sometimes get really excited about ketchup. I love ketchup! Okay. Next thing we need to add is, I forgot what I put here. It's, oh, this is my favorite. It's a little bit of frosting. Who doesn't love frosting on the holidays? This is a tough one. Let me try it. Open. Oh. Forget the frosting. Who puts frosting in Easter balls? Okay. Next thing we're gonna use are marshmallows. See, I got rid of the frosting, so I brought a backup plan. Always have a backup plan when you're cooking with Josh. We're gonna use a little bit of marshmallows here. Perfect. I think we're getting close. Oh, it smells so good. Can you smell it at home? Can you? Oh, it's lovely. Ooh, it's really lovely. I'm enjoying it. The last thing we want to add is just a pinch of salt. Just to, offset that sweet. Remember, it's all about balance. Ooh, I'm a little short in the bowl. There we go. Okay, so as I said, these are called... I just couldn't help myself. I love goldfish. Who doesn't love goldfish? Okay, I have a little bit of goldfish. This one's tough too. Open! Forget it! I'm sick of this! Let's make some Easter balls! Alright, I'm done! I'm done! I'm gonna make some Easter balls now! So the next thing you're gonna want to do is just mix all that stuff together. Get those hands in there. Mix it all nice and good. Squeeze them together. Squeeze it together. We're gonna have to form these into a little ball. So you just squeeze and squeeze and keep squeezing. Keep squeezing. Ooh, this is a tough one. Keep squeezing. Get everything all the way to the bottom of the bowl. You don't want to miss any of those ingredients. Keep squeezing. Keep squeezing. Woo-hoo, squeeze for my Easter ball. Oh, that's looking good. That's about perfect. So we're going to grab a plate over here. Let me grab my plate. Let's grab my plate. There's a plate. And I'm going to set it down here. And I'm going to roll up an Easter ball. We're going to just take a little bit. Not too big. You don't want big balls. You're going to get a little Easter ball. Roll it up. Perfect. Aren't those looking good? Again! What's the door? Get it out of here! Sorry. I'm going to roll up that Easter ball. There's 4. Whoa! Whoa! Those Easter balls will roll away! Okay, we just need a couple more. Our batter's just about done here. Good. Oh, that's a good one. All right, so I think we have about 7 Easter balls here. And so you may be saying to yourself, Josh, what temperature are you going to cook those at? Not Easter balls. Those are ready to go now. I'm going to take a bite. That looks so good. I'm just going to reach down here. Oh, that looks... And... Oh, is that good? Yeah, that's like Aunt Millie used to make me. I'll take one more bite. One more bite. Oh. Oh, Aunt Millie. I would make Aunt Millie proud. I mean, these are the Aunt Millie Easter balls from my family to yours. I hope everybody has a wonderful Easter, and we'll see you next time on Cooking with Josh.